Ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Thrive Labs, the place to bring your trading performance to the next level, to learn all about trading and technical analysis. I'm your host, Mike Williams, and today we will be talking about Ethereum. Is Ethereum prone for a major reaction and an explosive run to the upside, which in turn could spark significant runs in the altcoin space overall? If you're excited and if you're looking forward to what I have to tell you, and trust me, you will not see this anywhere else. If you like what you see, please leave a like and subscribe button to support the channel and pump up the algorithm so that more people can benefit from what I am about to share. So let's move over to the charts. As you can see over here, we are looking at the Ethereum USDT pair. Maybe you were thinking to yourself, hey Mike, are you bullish on Ethereum? And if so, then why? Why would you do so? Because aren't you teaching to not trade in the middle of a range? Now let's take a look at the ETH USDT pair. As you can see, we are indeed in very much sideways price action. If you're a little bit familiar with the way that I teach and with the way that I look at the markets overall, this is indeed not necessarily the best place to be looking for new trade setups. But this is also the thing, and this is where we are diving into the magic that I have to share with you all. Because indeed, if you are looking at this chart, then you are coming to the conclusion that this is indeed in the middle of the range, and that there's at the moment not really showing any signs of strength at all. However, what if I would switch over the chart and would look at the Bitcoin pair? Then we are seeing something completely different. Yes, it might look like we are going downwards, but this is where I have a lot of secrets and sauce to share with you all. And I hope that you can use it to your benefit, right? I hope that you can use it to your benefit, because if this is going to happen, and make sure to watch till the end of this video, if this is going to happen, then we might see a beautiful altcoin. I would say autumn. Autumn. This could trigger a lot. So this is the situation that I'm looking at, and we're starting on the higher time frames over here. The situation is as follows. This is the scenario that we've been in from 2018 all the way to 2021. This has been a sideways accumulation range, which we then in April 2021 we're starting to break out. Ever since then, I have been extremely bullish on Ethereum. Since then, we have done another sideways pattern, which at the moment I am classing this as a reaccumulation range, after which I would like to see some continuation to the upside, and that could potentially spark a really nice reaction across the board in the altcoin market. Because in the end, if Ethereum goes up, then the rest of the altcoin space usually goes up as well. Why, you might ask? Well, because 90% of the altcoins out there are running on the Ethereum blockchain. So therefore, Ethereum is a really good measurement to gauge the strength or weakness of the altcoin market. And especially when you're comparing it to Bitcoin, because this is a chart that nobody looks at. Everybody's only interested in how much the valuation in the dollar is. But what about the Bitcoin chart? And this is what I'm having to show you. So the situation is really as follows. We are having two weekly levels over here, marking out the sideways pattern of this reaccumulation area on Ethereum as it currently stands. Now, you might also think, but hey, this doesn't look too great because we are losing the weekly level. I agree. However, if you are approaching this as a sideways range, then there is nothing for me that I can think otherwise than, wow, this is great opportunity. This is great opportunity. Maybe there's people looking at this like, oh, maybe I'm going to refrain from buying. Maybe I'm going to not be interested in Ethereum because it's starting to look bearish. However, you have to consider that I have been waiting for an opportunity like this. Of course, this was the very first opportunity. This was in May 2022, more than 1.5 years ago. I've seen Ethereum rise in price, given a nice trade at the time, and since then I've been waiting all this time, which is now more than a year, for price to come back to the region of interest. Now, this is the period in time where you have to consider, where you have to think, why would you put in all the hard work in plotting and planning out a potential opportunity far, far in the future, only to get scared and emotional when the opportunity actually presents itself? Think about that. That is what I would like you to think about. For me, Ethereum is approaching in an extremely, extremely interesting area. Now, naturally, if we start losing this area, in other words, if we start coming back into this white box over here, then obviously I have been wrong. However, this region that we are currently in, preferably I would like to see a jab actually to the downside and then coming into this box, which could provide a tremendous opportunity for Ethereum to, first of all, get back into the sideways range that we've been in for quite some time, then start making a rotation to the upside. And then if we reclaim that, then I would say the bulls are on and it is time to go. However, this is far away in the future, and it might take some time for this opportunity to fully come to fruition. It doesn't have to happen today. It doesn't have to happen tomorrow. But this will progress in the next couple of days or maybe even weeks. So this is really a small golden nugget that I just felt like sharing with you all as we are getting more volatility in the cryptocurrency space. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this, or if you want to learn how to do this yourself each and every single day consistently, then please pay a visit to thrivelabs.io, which is where you can subscribe to the Discord community and also get access to various courses and a member dashboard that is being continuously updated. As a matter of fact, we've just updated a full-blown glossary that you can find all the technical terms and all the trading terms that you know are typically being used in the trading space each and every single day. You know, we're continuously building, adding small things on top of each other on a continuous basis. So it's continuously under development, and this is one of our latest additions where it just makes life a lot more easy. You don't have to scour the entire internet. It's all the information is in one single place. If you're learning TradingView, simply select the category TradingView, and here you can find about all the technical tools that TradingView has to offer, a short explanation on what it actually does. You know, it just helps you get a better grip, at least to get started. And if you're more advanced, then obviously you can also dive into more complex topics like order flow and understand the terms that are being used, so that you can, you can build upon and expand that knowledge and can join in on the conversations that are going on the internet. And that is, I think, a great addition to what we have currently. So if you're interested, hop over to the website, explore it for yourself. And if you decide to join the community, then there will be a very warm, nice community waiting for you, ready to help you whenever you need. And of course, I would be delighted to help you on your path to consistent profitability. So with having all of that said, hope you've enjoyed this video and have a great day. Cheers.